How to open Lloyds Bank account online. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open a new browser. Type in Lloyds Bank at the search bar and then click on Current Accounts. So if you scroll down under Current Accounts, you'll see the different type of accounts that you can open. Click on the one that you want to open. So I'm going to choose Classic. So you'll see what opening this account will mean. If you want to apply for it, click on Classic. Click on Ready to Apply. So select if you're a new customer, existing customer, or if you'd like to open a joint account. You do have to be 18 or older and live in the UK to open this account. Click on Apply Now. So this is a reminder of what this account includes. Scroll down. You can read important information on overdraft rates and charges, and different terms and conditions and other important information. If you want to continue, click on Continue at the bottom. Select if you're an existing Lloyds Bank customer, and select if this is going to be your main account. You can read through this privacy information, and then click on Continue at the bottom. So go ahead and fill in your information, your first name, your middle name, your last name as it is shown on your passport or ID. Select your gender, your title, your phone number, your email address, your date of birth, your country of birth, and you can add other nationality as well, and then click on Continue. Once you do this, you'll be able to open Lloyds Bank account online. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.